Hello, today on CC's Garage we're going to be installing a seat cover on the old 71 F-350 service truck. I ordered it off eBay. It's around 90 bucks with shipping. One of the biggest reasons I'm doing it is I like what's in the truck as far as the Mexican blanket here. It's just hard to keep it in place, and I've tried cleaning the back of the seat. I mean, it won't come clean. Got a few rips there, and then you look here at the driver's seat, it's all ripped up. So let's get you set up. Let's get you set up here as I open this cover, and we're gonna see what it looks like and what kind of quality it's got. Okay, this actually come out of California from a company called Design Covers. Bought it off eBay, like I said. Well, that was supposed to be the way to open it, but let's get ripped into it here. We're gonna get a knife to open it with, but I'm scared of cutting the seat cover. They had about 3 different colors I thought would work with the truck. Well, 4 if you count black. They had a light tan and another color brown, which I just really didn't like either one of them. Thought they'd show too much dark. Comes with some nice hooks. This has some nice instructions inside, how to work everything, and a warning about this is not a toy for kids. So I guess that means even as adults we shouldn't put this plastic bag over our head. Let's get the rest of the way open here, and oh, it's red. Vacuum pack makes it easier to ship. Okay, I see a problem here. This was supposed to be a beach seat cover. Okay, it is. Top and bottom, so 2 different pieces. I like the look of it, the way it's put together so far. And neither one are labeled, but we're going to assume, since this has the slits in it, that's where the seat belts come through. So let's get you rearranged and in the truck, and we'll start putting the cover over the back. Okay, I pulled the Mexican blanket off the bottom already. Getting all the straps tucked under. Okay, I've got it started real good. I've got to hook up all the clips and anchors to get it in place. So I will bring you back when I get that done. So far, for a one size fits all, it seems to be going on pretty good. I like the color of it. It won't show dirt or anything as bad as a tan or a light brown would have, or even a white. And this interior is called parchment. And from what I've read, from the factory on the parchment interiors, none of the stuff actually matched itself. These sun visors are the factory sun visor. This is an aftermarket door, armrest on both sides. Mine was shot. I do believe the cabs had some repaint on it, but as you can tell, none of the colors actually match each other real well, down to the headliner. I mean, you can tell the difference here between the headliner, the trim, and the sun visor. Okay, I got the seat cover on. I did have to go online to their installation instructions to look at one thing, which is a YouTube video. And here's the company it is. Design Covers Inc. out of Rancho Cucamonga, California. These are called semi-custom seat covers. As you see, for the 71, it worked out pretty good. One of the things I had to look at was how these little clips work. And you can tell this one's still a little loose. But the elastic bands were so long, I had to take and tie them up to shorten them down. As being semi-custom, this part here wouldn't be designed to go around this. And they've got one last strap to put in here. And what you do for this hook is you come through the eyelet, and there's my phone ringing, and go back through. And then you'll go up under and find a good spot to hook it to pull tension on it. And get it tight, you know. So now we'll just see how this works out. I think as far as the way it looks, I like it. It fits better than a lot of them I've used. I like the color. And once I found a video that had the instructions showing exactly how to hook everything up, which wasn't for a bench seat, it was for bucket seats. Let the no muffler truck get by. Excuse me. I like how it fits. I like how it looks. I mean, it's a lot cleaner than the ripped up seat was. It's not going to shift around, hopefully, like the Mexican blanket did. And I think the color looks pretty good in here. Well, thank you for watching CC's Garage. Okay, decided I better do a little bit better review than I did. You know, got to work on things as I go. Again, I love how this seat fits. I think the color went great with the truck. I was surprised at the quality of the fit. I mean, anybody that's been around for a while will remember the way these seat covers used to fit. They were baggy, they were loose, they never fit right. I mean, you look at this. This is great fit. It's tight, 100% coverage. Secures. It's two-piece, which is better than the old design. And I figured when I bought this that it probably wasn't going to have any padding under it, any kind of backing. I was going to have to do something a little different. Well, when I got it in, you can see thin layer of foam, a nice batting, nice stitching. I mean, overall quality is way above what the price of it was. I mean, this cover was under $100. I mean, you can't go to most auto parts store and buy a cover for under $100. And I know most of them don't fit as good as this one did. I'm going to look at buying another set for a set of buckets out of a 95 Mustang GT that I've put in this 93 hatch, which I'll bring more on this car later. I mean, like I said, I'm just surprised at how well it fit, how good it looks. And I can say, because I accidentally spilled coffee yesterday, which I know is sacrilege, it does not show stains from the coffee. I mean, the other stains that might show up, I'm also going to be looking to see if this can be machine washed and dried. I mean, hey, if it can, that's even better. Just overall, I'm extremely pleased with this. And like I said, I bought it off eBay. I took a chance. I wasn't sure what it was going to look like, but I knew it was going to be better than the Mexican blanket that was on there, because I couldn't keep that Mexican blanket straight. Every time I moved. It just, you know, looks good, but just wasn't secure enough for me. Who knows, I may take that Mexican blanket and make a headliner out of it. But overall, I got to say, my appreciation of this is, I'm 100% satisfied. I mean, it looks better. It's definitely better than what the seat looked like. I mean, again, you can see the seats wore out. I mean, it is a 71 truck, so work truck. But trying to do a few things, get it looking better, and get ready for another car show with it. You know, I know it's not the top-notch ones that a lot of people like, but hey, I don't like having to detail them. I'm not there for awards. I'm there just to have fun. Well, thank you again for watching CC's Garage. I hope you like the truck. It's got a lot done already, and it's going to have more done. Been thinking about, ever since the day I bought it, calling it Betty White, and I pretty well decided that's what it's going to be. I bought it December the 31st, the same day she died. She was a great advocate for animals, great person from everything we could see and hear about her. So, I'll introduce you to Betty White. Thank you for watching CC's again, and have a great day.